Okay, for today's blog, I just want to talk about, what Dan did was not what a supervisor did. What he did was he chewed me out right on the sales floor after I closed the security gate yesterday. And I was with the rail. I did not know that Matt kicked up. And he threatened to coach me in front of, he was yelling at me, basically claiming that we had a conversation that, I'll say this never happened, in front of 5 customers, and they were giving him a funny look when I said, "What conversation?" And they heard me say, "What conversation?" And they looked at him like he was crazy. They looked at Manager Dan like he was crazy. So, like I said, and it brings back some memories of with Shopko. Yes, Christina told me back when I was supervisor that I would have to do some things that I didn't want to have to do. Even write up some people I didn't want to write up because it'd be by her orders sometimes. I couldn't promise anything, she said. Really to anyone, That's what people don't realize. The only one that had a say in it was her. The store manager, you can't even say anything bad about the store manager because I think by accepting your supervisory position, you pledged to be loyal to the store manager only, basically. You had to look out for yourself. She was the one that told me, Christina, to not be afraid to report anyone under me at the same level as me, an assistant manager, or even the store manager, if I felt they did anything wrong. But yeah, what I hate to say it today, and Walmart and Shopko said if I wanted to chew out an associate, I could not do that on the sales floor. That is unprofessional. I would have to take them to the back room and chew them out in the back room where no customer could see or hear it. Yeah. Otherwise, if I did it on the sales floor, both Shopko and Walmart said I could get written up over that, doing that. Yeah. And it's like, I don't want to say it, And that's where customers want me back like I was at Shopko, the sales floor supervisor. And I feel, I probably would love to do that again, but I would have to be pretty much like I was at Shopko, saying, "Your wish is my command," to the store manager. And like I said, I don't think Dan really likes me working here. See, when I noticed this too, I think they ridden the butts of Stacey Edwards and Dakota Frank before they just quitted Menards and left. I mean, and that's the thing I can't say at the interview at McDonald's, that I'm gonna have to have my right shoulder checked by a doctor. If they catch this blog, they're gonna be mad at me, and they probably ain't gonna want to hire me. Because if they say I do not need surgery, they're gonna put that arm in a sling, my right arm in a sling. I ain't gonna be able to lift any boxes of anything, because I hate to say this to McDonald's, I want nothing to do with the cash register. I'm sorry. So, it'd be only in the back area full time is all I could take, but I don't really want to work for McDonald's. So the thing is, I'm probably just gonna politely turn them down if they offer me anything. Because really, I don't want to work at McDonald's. A lot of people, they quit McDonald's because when they learn how the food is cooked there, they don't want to eat there at all, and they get sick to their stomach, so they quit. How I know this is I've heard it for years, But yeah. So, like I said, I don't want to be barely eating all of a sudden, But, even with supervisory, like if I remember it when Shapko taught me, they said you can't even coach anyone if they were not informed of anything. And you can't even threaten to give them coaching if they had no idea. Like yesterday, I had no idea. He couldn't have threatened me, because if it was Shackle, he would have gotten coached over it, and then one more time, if he would have done it, he would have been demoted. But like I don't want to say, since this is also retaliation that he did, now you're talking about not only coaching, but an automatic demotion. That is what Chaco would have done. Yeah. Like I said, I'm going to be applying at other places, though, because it's like I don't want to take the job at McDonald's, and I hope Chippewa River Industries ain't going to be mad at me, but chances are they will, because they'll say you threw, if McDonald's offers me a job, they'll say you threw the job out the door over this, and my reason would be, it ain't gonna be because of the pay and that, it's gonna be because I just don't want to work there. Honestly, if I took the job, I would quit within 6 months and go looking for a different job, or wait until 5 years from now and look for a different job. And it does us no good to take a job that you would plan on leaving anyway, And that's where I think they gotta realize this too. They could do things a lot better, CRI could, Because it's like, yeah, I'm going to be pushing for them to talk to Walmart, but I'm going to make them, because like I said, if they could talk to the Blacker one, and he can talk to the Haley store manager, because they got ways of talking them into bypassing. I think we could do it and get back into Walmart somehow. Because like I said, I just rather work for a department store right now and, stay away from all this that's going on at Menards. Yeah, that wasn't right. Yeah, he was screaming and hollering at me. Dan Scofer made me cry because I was afraid about getting wrongfully coached again, and that's what he was doing. He was threatening to wrongfully coach me over something that I did not do. And it was out of my control. And I'm like, how do you know that if I did that or not? When I'm trying to tell you, I did not. And I did not know that. And you're looking at me calling me an idiot in front of customers. I hate to say it to Dan. You're retaliating on me and yelling at me in front of not one, but 2 cameras. The one over the carts area and the one above customer service. Now, like I said, if Menards corporate got hold of this, you would probably get demoted over this all. You would not be a front-end manager. Quite frankly, they probably also would not want you up front. So they would put you in the back room where no one lasts. And you would probably quit. Like I hate to say it. Dan the manager seemed to forget what it's like, being a peon. I do believe the power went straight to his head, you know. Because, like I said, there's a lot of things, you know, it doesn't make it feel right when you get scolded for something you did not know of and you did not do. And yeah, probably like today, since we work 10 to 4 and we work 10 to 4 tomorrow, I'm going to be applying at different places, because since we're going to be planning on if McDonald's gives me a job offer just to turn them down, you know, it doesn't make sense if I take the job if I'm planning on leaving it anyway. I know I want out of Menards, but I also gotta be a little bit picky about where I go to leave for. You know, I do have sales floor experience, and I have done planograms, You know, I do have cashier experience, but I no longer want a cashier, let alone push carts with the way people are up here, and they're, like I said, bullies.